The trial of the 4 police officers accused of fatally shooting Mthokozisi Ntumba during the #FeesMustFall protest in March last year will resume in the High Court in Johannesburg. The officers are facing 4 charges, including one of murder. 35-year-old Ntumba was killed allegedly by the police, who opened fire on a group of students outside a TVET college in Braamfontein, Johannesburg. A police officer is expected to take the stand today. Let's listen in.
38.
Can you tell us about the current position that you are having? And where, before then, where are you based?
At Public Order Police in Johannesburg, basis at the Kloof.
So there was a particular incident that occurred on the 10th of March 2021 that led to these proceedings. Aware of that particular occurrence or incident?
Yes, I am.
Can you tell the Shabakotes what happened on that day that led to these proceedings?
Your Honor, on the morning of 10th of March, around 11:30, I was on my way to Johannesburg CBD. I heard on the police.
That is the good of this. You must not say one sentence in response.
Sorry, Your Honor.
I'm saying you are approaching the right. You must not say one sentence and then you stop.
Okay, sure.
Thank you.
I heard on the police radio that a person was shot during protest action. I went to the scene and met up with the provincial head, ORS Brigadier Spires. It was at the corner of Bertha and Stimmen Street in Braamfontein. I was informed that a person was killed 1 street block east at the Beer Street. There was a large group of students gathering at that area. I visited the scene after the students have dispersed there, and the body was removed and the detectives left the scene. During this day, Captain Shange, with his members, was deployed from 4 o'clock in the morning to prevent any occurrence of a previous day event where they barricaded Empire Road.
Before we proceed, tell us something. What was the reason for taking Shang and his group or his subordinates? What was the reason for them to be
The previous day on the 9th, there was protest action, public violence at Empire Road, where the students barricaded Empire Road. Captain Mthokozisi, she's now promoted to colonel. She was appointed on the day as her overall commander.
Commander,
So would I be correct to say that he was the overseer, he was in control of all the police officers?
The operation. She was in charge of operation, yes. A contingency plan was drafted for the event at WITS as well as Johannesburg University for the student protest. The protest was regarding the annual student registration. The students wanted to register, although there was historical debt that they had to pay. As far as public order policing is concerned, we are guided by legislation regarding our actions during protest action.
You proceed. Can you tell us about the shooting incident that you had over the radio and went to the scene explaining that at one stage the order was removed from the country? Is it correct?
Sorry, I couldn't hear properly.
Earlier on, you said you went to the scene, you started by talking about the correct, and subsequent to that, you said you went to the scene. Is it correct?
That's correct, yeah.
And you further said that the body was removed and waited until the student had confessed. And from there, you approached the country.
That's correct.
Yeah, explain to us what happened after. Even when you said of telling about the body that was the body that was released from the country.
Yeah.
Tell us something regarding that. Do you know as to, and by the time when you get there, how, I mean, who was there by the time when you arrived or something?
There was members of the public and then some of our officers that's working with me that also went to have a look where the scene was.
At that stage, did you know as to what exactly happened?
No, I didn't know what happened.
Except to have heard from the radio about the shooting.
That's correct, yeah.
Did you try to make efforts to establish what happened so that you can use it as an account in case the really an account?
At that stage, I thought that maybe it was possible that some of the security from the university was involved in the shooting.
You said you find other people. Can you tell us as to whether you knew the people who were in the country?
Sorry?
You said, you said that you find people at the crime scene after the inspection of the student or whatever. You said you find people.
Yeah, there was members of the public that I don't know, and yeah.
Yes, and you proceed to find members of the public what happened?
There was police officers with, I can't remember exactly, I think there was Colonel Sekela was with us and so on. But we, when departed, we went back into the initial point where we were at corner Stevens and Bertha Street. That is what I remember on the day what happened around the scene. So our guidelines regarding action during protest action, like yes.
What happened after that regarding tracing, because you said that you thought maybe university security?
Yeah, I thought it was the security that shot there. A mention was made that there was white cartridges from shotgun retrieved on the scene as well. So the police, we are using those white rounds as well. So they, I presume there is a possibility that there was police involvement as well in the shooting when I heard about that.
mapolisa lona aperisa ikhathini security.
You said you mentioned. You still remember as to where you mentioned that to me?
No.
The penal spread and having said that I mentioned was made that the white party still further what happened.
We went to the initial point, and then the firearms of all the members was taken.
How did you got to know about the names of the people who were working at that particular scene, having said that members firearms were taken?
I think it was from the operational commander, the members, Captain Shange, the members that worked with him. So the firearms was retrieved. I cannot remember if all the firearms was retrieved for all the members. The reason for that is we had a scene after that also at Empire Road, where myself and Colonel Sekela, who's ORS operational commander, we attended to that scene. So some of the members went with us to Empire Road, also with shotguns. So whose shotguns was taken and from which platoon it was taken, I can't remember clearly, but firearms was taken as well as ammunition for ballistic testing.
Where was that from? Ammunition was very good ballistic test. Akasakhumbuli ukuthi obani amaphoyisa abathathela izibhamu ukholezana labo bantu labo kuyo ongaba nolwazi ukuthi emveni kwalokho lapha emkhaya uyothana ukhona isehlakalo sakho kwamele ukuthi yena nozakwabo baphuthuke khona and kwaba khona futhi amanye amaphoyisa akabephethe ama-shotgun ahambisana nabo ukuya nabo yingabo ngesazathi ukuba abasebenzela ukwaba ama-shotgun okanye akakholoi khona sibona bebe basela i-shotgun khona siyasizibona lapho ukubani i-colonizane ole aphekwa kasiba kuze kwahlakali siyingabe ku-empire road basana yena libabani by putting gold and that's why I'm really remember things that are good for the story because you know, of course, of the good man that they were providing.
So you spoke about Captain Shan. Tell us as to how did it happen that he got to be the person who would get the same.
Captain Shange is a platoon commander for the Flexi group at work today. So they usually work from 6 to 6, but I've instructed him to come in at 4 o'clock due to the threat of possible violence around Wits University. Yeah, that is what I remember from what happened on the day on the scene. And if there's anything else that you...
I want you to look at this quote about David said that based on record related service, your end, I want us to explain to the court about the importance of the occurrence book and the importance of what is the occurrence book. Please tell us what is it.
Occurrence book is kept at the operational room. So every public order police unit to have an operational room where record is kept in the occurrence book as well as the IRIS system. So the IRIS is an incident registration information system on the computer. So throughout the day when incidents occur, the members as well as the commander report to... Sorry, Jona. Occurrence book is kept at the operational room. The IRIS is a computer system, incident registration information system.
Who is the, let's start with the occurrence before we talk about the IRIS report. Who is responsible for making inscription in the occurrence book?
The members that is deployed within the ops room, operational room at the unit. They make the physical notes.
How you said that the police officers and operational rooms are the ones who are responsible to make instructions for the recordings in the occurrence. Is it correct?
That's correct, yeah.
How do they know, how do they get to know as to what is expected? Like for instance, how do they get to know as to what they get to report?
Yeah, the operational members that is working on the scene reported by radio or by cell phone. So it's the commanders as well as the members report to the operational room. Yeah, the commanders as well as the members working operationally.
And the IRIS computer system work? Tell us about how that works.
The IRIS system is also in the operational room. So the same is for the IRIS system as well. The members as well as the commander report to the operational room, and they keep up the IRIS report on the system.
two, and the economy goes through the fire. Now, for 8 days, the material
Can I tell us something? What will be your, under normal circumstances, is it normal for members who knew that something is happening? And what will be the consequences of failure to report? Let's suppose I'm on duty and the member of staff, something happened and I failed to report.
If members fail to report, then it will be investigated. Departmental steps might be taken against the members.
umuntu aze athathele umuntu igwe bomthathele yakhe ngabe khona lephepha ethi and wena only producer hawe report uzothi bakhole kutobana le dikhale mokobana bona ka pele ba go thoma bana ka mo tshedi ba go thoma ba ntse ba ba tshitso gore o ka report ale over two parts of there and then
Tell us about the pocket book. How does it work, right?
Each member is issued with a pocket book, so when coming on duty, they report on duty in a pocket book. They're inspected by the commander.
Commander, how people to command commander how they are inspector for the
During the course of their duties, they will then make entries as well in a pocket book, reporting whatever is happening.
Are members obliged to report, like you said, to the operational room?
Yes, they are.
Obliged or is their duty of
Yeah, it's their duty to report all incidents to the operational room. Yes, I do.
How do you know them? How did you tell them that you came to know?
They are members from my unit working at a flexi group.
The investigation officer of this court that people from various officers were invited to attend viewing particular things. Can you tell us what saying more about the in case you know about it?
I'm sorry to interject in the court. But there is no such thing that people were invited. She did not say that. She said commander, their commander were invited, and they were not people. Was it said like that?
We're coming out of that process at the Ntumba murder trial. Police officer Beslar testifying.